So, I mean, CDS hooks are great in theory, but we haven't actually seen them really working well in practice. With one implementation, we actually saw CDS hooks firing from the EHR every 5 minutes, regardless of whether the user had already interacted with that hook and sort of taken action to say, I no longer need this hook, or I've already addressed the issue. The EHR wasn't able to do anything about that for us at the time because of the way that they had set up the underlying functionality. So what we were looking at is the idea that the CDS hook would provide us the needed data at the point in time we required it. But now it's actually sending that data to us every 5 minutes instead of once. This kind of barrier to implementation and this kind of challenge to the technologies that vendors are using really makes it hard for them to utilize the technology effectively. Now think about a different EHR vendor that supports that CDS hook in a slightly different way. Now you have two different implementations that you have to support, and you have to manage the complexities of both. Whenever EHR addresses these different concepts a little bit differently because they're not in the specifications, we end up with this wide spread of technology rather than a single standard.